sa agriculture na binibigyan natin ng maraming scholarship, kasama na ang kalinga sa kalusugan at ibang panlipunang serbisyo. Samantala, binabalanse natin itong mga kinakailangan pamumuhunan with a commitment to meet our fiscal obligations. And as we have done this, our part, the production is actually to be done by the private sector, by the business community, by the agribusiness community. And therefore, we encourage continued activity by the agriculture, food, and aquaculture business groups. This also means that the government continues to promote privatization, including the Food Terminal Incorporated, as a counterpoint for our own pump priming. To the fiscally strong, this is a time of opportunity. To the likes of the oil-producing countries, for instance, this is a time to fill up the financial vacuum. Similarly, in the private sector, this is the time for agribusiness to exploit the financial liquidity of our strong banking sector to expand your role in your respective niche markets. Sabi ko, strong banking sector. Dahil napapatunayan natin ito dito sa global credit crunch. The potential exposure of our banking sector to the asset deflation triggered by the subprime mortgage losses in the U.S. accounts for less than 1% of their total system assets here in the Philippines. This exposure is fully reserved. Our banks are well capitalized, and the innate conservatism of our bankers is matched by the prudence of our regulators. At magpasalamat tayo sa mga bangko, kagaya ng mga cooperative bank na itinataguyod ni Congresswoman ng Butil. Dahil yung kanilang bangko, ang pautang ay 4% at hindi dinidiscount. Kaya makinabang sana ang agrikultura doon. At sabi ko nga kay Nelly, inaasahan natin maging mas madali ang proseso ng paghiram sa bangko kapag natutupad na ang malapit ng pipirmahang kong Credit Information System Act na isa ring pet bill ni Senator Angara. Maraming salamat, Ed. Pipirmahan natin yun pagkabalik ni Ed Angara mula sa World Bank Conference. Of equal importance to sheer financial capacity is the ability to decide and move quickly. The road between the decision to buy and the actual placement of the order is fraught with uncertainty. Sa ating bansa, ang mabilis kumilos, yung mga SME. Pero mabilis din kumilos yung mga higanteng negosyante sa agribusiness. Internationally, the bastions of wealth with both financial capacity and quick execution are the Middle East powers, given their oil-driven wealth and the unitary government apparatus. The fact that the Philippines has a Mindanao close to the hearts of powers such as Saudi, the UAE, and Libya opens up opportunities for niche marketing of products, especially from agribusiness Mindanao. Kaya kanina masaya ako nung dumadaan dyan sa red carpet, maraming bumati sa akin na mga delegates galing sa Mindanao. Ito ay pagkakataon dahil mahal kayo ng mga Middle East countries na ang dami-daming pera ngayon para bumili ng ating produkto. We have been working hard on all fronts to manage inflationary pressures. Salamat naman at nag-level off na ang inflation. Mas mababa ang inflation noong Setyembre kaysa Oktubre. We've also been working hard to provide a safety net to those hit hardest by these global events. Most notably, nagsisipag tayo upang matiyak na matatag ang supply ng pagkain at upang may pagkain sa bawat mesa. Kaya napakalaki ang importansya nitong AgriLink, FoodLink at AquaLink. Malaki ang itutulong upang paramihin ang ani at palawakin ang mga merkado ng mga produkto natin mula sa bukid at sa dagat. Regular na idinaraos ang exhibit na ito sapagkat buo ang samahan na makasapi ng sektor ng agrikultura, pagkain at pangingisda. At gusto kong batiin Karing Camalengco, Keta King Clark, dahil meron ng permanent AgriLink doon sa Clark na ginagawa. Lagi kayong nagtutulungan upang tiyakin ang pagkakaroon ng pagkain sa bawat mesa. From the day we took office, we have been focused on our economy and modernizing every aspect of the economic underpinnings of the Philippines. This includes agribusiness, from development of new hybrids to unprecedented investments in irrigation, to dramatic increases in loans to help our farmers, among other activities. Again, Senator Angara is here because of his love for agriculture, and we are carrying out his Agricultural and Fisheries Modernization Act. What happened this year with rise in global prices, notwithstanding our preparation, is a once-in-a-millennium global crisis. Sa harap ng unos sa pandaigdig na ekonomiya, lalo nating kailangan ang magkatatag, magtulong-tulong, at magsumikap na iligtas ang ating mga kababayan sa gutom at pagkabaon sa kahirapan. Sa kabila nitong unos, malaki ang ating paniniwala sa ating bansa. Malakas ang pag-asa na mararating natin ang magandang bukas. Kaya magbuong loob tayo lahat na maging puwersa para sa kinabubuti ay itong AgriLink, FoodLink at AquaLink ay napaka-importanting puwersa sa kinabubuti ng ating magsasaka, mangingisda at karaniwang mamamayan na kailangan magkaroon ng pagkain sa bawat mesa. So to all of you, on this occasion of this exhibit, mabuhay kayong lahat at maraming salamat. Thank you.